Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Roll the intros to Appy's with Chappy by the lake.
Come on now, Mookie, ain't nothing but a hound dog. This is Appy's with Chappy by the lake. We're gonna have appetizers and a cool, refreshing drink. Come on now, Mookie, don't be cruel. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Aloha, welcome to Appy's with Chappy by the lake. This is Badger substituting in for Mookie. So for appetizer, I got some Caprese salad potato skins. See here how I made them. All right, for Appy's with Chappy by the lake, we're going to do Caprese salad potato skins. So I got some nice fresh bocconcini or fresh mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to melt it on the potato skins, but I'm going to put the tomatoes and fresh basil and olive oil on after I've melted the cheese, so the tomatoes will be nice and fresh like a salad. All right, I'm going to get these under the broiler and melt that cheese, and then we'll get the fresh tomato and basil and olive oil on top. All right, so I got my bocconcini melted to the potato skins. I'm just going to add these fresh tomatoes from the garden. Some fresh basil from the garden. And I got some extra virgin olive oil, Italian extra virgin, 100%. The good stuff. And every fresh tomato needs a good salting. Aggressively seasoning my tomatoes. And that's my Caprese salad potato skins for Appy's with Chappy by the lake. And we're just going to do a drink to go with that. This is called a Florodora. All right, pay attention, Badger. So the Florodora calls for 2 ounces of gin. I'm just going to build this over ice today. Oh, that's a lot of gin, Badge. And then a ½ ounce of fresh lime. I'm just going to do some sweet and sour mix. And a ½ ounce of raspberry liqueur. Normally I use Chambord, which is a French raspberry liqueur, but I got a nice raspberry liqueur. It's locally made. It's from Okanagan Spirits. All right, I know, I'm getting to it, Badge. And then it calls for 3 ounces of ginger beer. I find the ginger beer a little strong, so I'm just going to substitute ginger ale today. So I'm just finishing it off with ginger ale. All right, stay with me, Badge, stay with me. And then I got a nice what's that, Badge? I have fresh raspberries as a garnish. And that's a Florodora to go with my Caprese salad potato skins. And that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. What's that, Badge? Badge says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.